I'm going to be using the book, Ben Can Be Brave, from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. If you don't have this book, you can use any decodable book that focuses on the A consonant E pattern, long A sound. I'm going to be saying some words. I want you to use your ears and listen very carefully and tell me what sound you hear that's the same in each one of these words. I will say the word, you will echo. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Cape, made, save. What sound did you hear that was alike in each one of those words? You're right. You heard A. Let's get our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make the A sound. Grab your mirror and hold it right up to your mouth and say A. What was your mouth doing? What was happening? You're right. Your mouth was open and it was smiling. And your tongue is toward the front of your mouth. Now, let's make the sound again, but let's put our hand on our throat and let's see if we can feel a buzzing or vibration. Let's do it together. Here we go. A. What did you feel? I felt the buzzing and vibration too. So we know that A is a voice sound, and when we make the A sound, our mouth is open and smiling, our tongue is toward the front of our mouth, and it's a voiced sound. Nice job. Go ahead and put your mirrors away. Now I need you to use your eyes because I'm going to write some words on the board, and I want you to look very carefully and tell me what two letters are just alike. Are you ready? You start looking while I start writing. C, A, P, E, M, A, D, E, and S, A, V, E. What two letters do you see that are just alike in each of these words? You're right. You see A and E. And what do you know about A and E? You're right. You are so smart. Those are both vowels. Now we need to look a little closer at these words because there's some other things that we need to discover. What letter do you see after A and before E? A P. And P is a what? A consonant. What letter do you see after A and before E in this word? That's right, a D, and D is a consonant. And what do you see after A and before E in this word? A V. And V is a consonant. That's right. So when you see A consonant E in each of these words, the E is at the very end. And we know that when E is at the end of a word, it is silent. It never makes a sound. But it does have an important job to do because we know that vowels can make two sounds. So the job that it has is it's going to tell the A to say its name or the long vowel sound, which is A. So when you see a vowel consonant E, the E is silent because it's at the end of the word and it never makes a sound at the end of the word. But it tells the A to say its name, A, which is the long vowel sound. Today, we will be learning about A consonant E. Let's read these words. Are you ready? Cape, made, save. When you read, Ben can be brave, you will have a chance to see many A consonant E words. And we know that when we see those words, the E is silent and the A makes the long A sound and says its name. We also know that when we say A, our mouth is open and smiling, and our tongue is towards the front of our mouth. And A is a voice sound. Thank you so much for joining me. And remember, you've got this.